Everyone says you need testimonials to sell AI services, portfolio, case studies, client logos, and social proof. But here's what nobody tells you. You are stuck in a loop. You can't get clients without proof. You can't get proof without clients. So you wait and learn more tools and wait for more. Meanwhile, someone with worse skills than you just closed their third client this week. Not because they had better testimonials, because they built proof a different way. I'm going to show you exactly how to sell AI services when you have zero testimonials, zero case studies, and zero social proof. This isn't theory. This is the exact system that got me from 0 clients to 5 paying clients in 21 days. And by the end of this video, you will have the step-by-step process to do the same. If you are stuck at 0 because nobody will hire me without proof, this is for you. Let's go. Before I show you the system, you need to understand why you are stuck. There are 3 specific problems keeping you at 0 clients right now. And until you see this clearly, no tactics will save you. Let's break them down first. Here's the first problem, and it's brutal because it's invisible. You are stuck in circular logic loop. I can't get clients without proof. I can't get proof without clients. So you do nothing. You wait for someone to magically hire you so you can finally build a case study. But nobody hires you because you have no proof. This is the proof paradox. Let me show you what this looks like in real life. You send a cold email. Hey Sarah, I'm an AI automation expert with 5+ years of experience. I've worked across 15+ industries building scalable solutions. Let me know if you'd like to discuss how I can help your business. Thanks, Jordan. And Sarah reads this and thinks, who the fuck is this? Where's the proof? You think, I need testimonials first. Let me wait until someone hires me. The loop, nobody hires you because you have no proof. You can't get proof because nobody hires you. 3 months pass, you've learned 6 new AI tools. You've watched 40 hours of YouTube tutorials. But your calendar is still empty. Here's what we are missing. You don't need a paying clients to build proof. Warren Buffett offered to work for Ben Graham for free. Ben Graham said, you are overpriced at free because I'd have to invest the time getting you good enough to actually contribute. And Buffett wasn't insulted. He understood something most people don't. When you have 0 proof, you need to outcome more than they need the service. You have 3 options right now that you are ignoring. Option 1, test on yourself. Build a lead gen system for your own business, show the numbers. Option 2, help a friend for free. Pick someone in your network, deliver the outcome, document it. And option 3, audit a business publicly. Pick a company in your target market, record a room showing 3 things broken and how to fix them. But you don't do any of this because you are waiting for the perfect paying clients to appear and validate you. That's not strategy, that's hiding. The cost, 3 months is at 0, while your competition is building case studies. 6 months later, you are still getting ready. And 12 months later, you are looking for a job. Meanwhile, someone with half your skill closed their 5th client last week. Not because they had better testimonials, because they stopped waiting and creating proof proactively. That's problem number 1, the proof paradox. You are stuck waiting for permission to prove yourself instead of creating proof. And problem number 2, wrong proof strategy. Here's the second problem, and this one's worse because you think you are doing it right. Even when you finally build proof, you build the wrong kind. Let me show you what I mean. This is most people call proof. I built an AI chatbot with 15 platform integrations, natural language processing, and 47 no-code workflow in N8N, and custom API connections, real-time data sync. Who cares? You send this to a prospect, and they think, cool, but so what? And you think, but I explained all the features, I showed my technical skills. But here's the truth, nobody cares how you built it. They care what it did. If your proof talks about tools, it's not proof, it's a tutorial. And let me show you the difference. This is a bad proof, feature-focused. Hey, I'm certificated in ChatGPT, Claude, and N8N. I build custom automation workflows using cutting-edge AI. My solutions are scalable, reliable, and future-proof. And prospect reaction, so what? But good proof, outcome-focused. I built a lead follow-up system for a roofing company. Before they were missing 40% of leads and spending 2 hours a day on manual follow-up. After automated system responded in 90 seconds, book estimates automatically. Owners spend 20 minutes a day reviewing. Result 9 estimates booked in 21 days. The cost is only $47 per month. And prospect reaction, wait, you can do that for us? See the difference? Bad proof is about you, your skills, your certifications, your process, your tools. But good proof is about them, their industry, their problem, their outcome, and their ROI. And here's the test. Winning proof answers 3 questions in 60 seconds. Who was this for? What problem did you fix? What outcome happened? If your proof doesn't answer all 3, it's not proof, it's noise. But here's the second mistake people make with proof. They make it too generic. I help business automate with AI. Nobody sees themselves in this. I help local roofing companies automate their lead follow-up, so they booked 8 estimates per month instead of 3. Every roofing company owner instantly sees themselves. And here's the third mistake. You overthink proof quality. You think I need a professional portfolio website with case studies, video testimonials, and custom animation and 5 clients' logos with website. So spend 3 weeks building it. Meanwhile, someone else records a raw 3-minute Loom video walking through one result. They booked 3 calls this week. You are still tweaking your website font. Here's a rule. A 3-minute Loom showing one real outcome beats a fancy portfolio site you never finished. Stop perfecting. Start proving. The cost of wrong proof is really high. You spend weeks creating proof nobody asked for. Your proof is too vague. So prospects can't see their outcome. You are optimizing instead of shipping. That's problem 2, wrong proof strategy. You are making proof about your skills instead of their outcome. Problem number 3, the permission asking tax. Here's a third problem, and this one kills deals before they even start. You finally have proof, but you bury it behind the permission asking. You say, mind if I share a video showing what we do? They think probably spam. Delete it. And let me show you what this looks like. Your week 1 outreach. Hey Sarah, I'm helping plumbing companies get more booked service calls. We recently helped a client in Austin increase their calls by 35%. Mind if I share a quick video breaking down how we did it? Jordan. And Sarah's reaction, another pitch, delete it. And this will be failed because you're asking them to work. They have to reply yes because they see value. It sounds like everyone else. Mind if I signals low confidence. Now watch what happens when you flip this. Proof first outreach. Hey Sarah, I built a lead gen system for a roofing companies that booked 9 estimates in 21 days using cold email and personalized audits. Here's the workthrough and Loom video link. Is it relevant for Blue Sky Plumbing? And Sarah's reaction, 9 estimates in 21 days. Let me click this. And why it works is proof is immediate. 1 click equal value. Specific outcome, no permission needed, ends with simple yes or no question. See the difference? Week 1, we are asking permission to prove yourself. Can I show you I'm credible? May I prove I know what I'm doing? But week 2 will upgrade it. You are showing proof and asking if it's relevant. Here's the proof. Does this apply to you? I already did this once the same. The psychology shift is massive. When you ask permission first, you send, mind if I share a video? Then reply, who are you? Or what is this about? You reply explaining your credibility. They ghost. Too much back and forth. When you lead with proof, you send here's proof, link, relevance, and they click the link, 1 click equal value. And they reply, yes, let's talk, or date book directly. You skip 2 friction points. That's problem 3, the permission asking tax. You're treating proof like a secret that needs permission to share. But proof isn't a pitch. Proof is value. So let me recap where you are. Problem 1, you are stuck in the proof paradox, waiting for clients to give your proof instead of creating proof proactively. And problem 2, you are building wrong proof, showing features and tools instead of outcomes for a specific who. Problem number 3, you are asking permission before sharing proof, adding friction instead of leading with value. And your calendar is still empty. So why should you listen to me? If you watched my previous video, you spent 6 months learning AI, but I got clients in 7 days, you know my full story. This is a quick version. My first business built a SaaS, 0 customers and failed because I never talked to the market. And second business, web agency grew to 9 people, delivered 30 plus enterprise projects. Single project hit $52,000, learned how to sell and deliver. And third business, AI education company, 40,000 YouTube subscribers, 1,400 community members, and 58,000 month peak. But 98% of students never made $1. They were learning, not executing. So I killed it and built execution sprint. Different model, one rule. Market contact on day one. Current result, Daniel, Vancouver, 70 days, 3 projects and $30,000 per month. Steven from Scotland from deal, $1,500. Sean from California, fixed messaging, 5 meetings in 3 days. I'm not telling you this to brag. I'm telling you so you understand. I've been stuck at 0 with no proof. I've made every mistake I'm teaching you to avoid. The system I'm about to show you is what got me unstuck. Week 1 forces market contact and you shipped, you messaged real people. Week 2 answers the question they are all asking. Why should I trust you? And here's how to build a proof that does the selling for you. So what actually works when you have 0 testimonials? Let me be direct. What I'm about to show you the exact system we use inside execution sprint. This is week 2. We called it the proof layer. And week 1 forced you to touch the market. You sent 70 messages. Some replied, some ignored, some asked, who are you? And week 2 answers that question before they ask it. You build one proof asset that removes buyer risk and makes yes earlier. Not 5 proof pieces, not a portfolio website, only one. And here's the structure, the diagnosis, why most proof fail, and proof asset strategy, a winning loom proof build, and proof distribution. By end of week 2, you have one proof loom, outreach updated to lead with proof, and tracking that shows proof impact on reply rate. Finally, when someone asks why you send one link and stop talking. This is not about looking impressive. This is about making the sales mechanical. Let me walk you through each SOP so you see exactly how this works. Why most proof fail? Before you build anything, you need to understand why most proof doesn't work. Proof exists to remove one question. Why should I trust you? When someone replies to your outreach, they are deciding in 10 seconds, do I believe you can do this? Have you done this before? Is this real or theory? And there are 3 types of mistakes: showing features instead of outcomes, and making proof about you, and waiting for the perfect clients to create proof. And why Loom Proof wins: trust faster and hard to fake, and reduce objections. That's SOP 1. Now you understand why most proof fails and what winning proof looks like. Now you pick which type of proof to build based on your current situation. Don't guess, use this framework. And first thing is access your current state. Do you have a paying clients from week 1? Do you have a friend's inner circle project with result? And do you have your own system running with all the numbers? Do you have deeply understand your target whose problem? If you answered yes to any of first 3, you build outcome proof. If you answered no to all, you build an audit proof. First one, outcome proof, is really simple. This is best for you closed a deal, you delivered something for free, you're testing your own system. And second, audit proof, best for you have no clients yet, but you understand your whose problem deeply. And option C, build in public proof loop. Best for you are testing a system for yourself and you have all the signal. And then write your proof one-liner. I'm building a proof type that shows who, how I fixed what problem, and achieved what outcome, and then lock your proof plan. Now you record your proof loom, and here's how this works. You will learn the 5-section framework. You will extract your specific values. Then you paste those values into ChatGPT. ChatGPT generates your complete script in 2 minutes. And here's the 5-section. First one, who plus what. And second one, the setup before state. Here's where they were before I stepped in. And section 3, the solution, what you built. You can say that here is what I built to fix it. And section 4, outcome. Here's what happened. And section 5, CTA. If this is relevant to you and you want to discuss implementing something similar, let's hop on a quick call. Reply to my email or book time here and then calendar link. And then you can discuss this with ChatGPT. This is my pre-built Loom Proof script generator, and then fill in your value inside and then review it back and forth and copy this script to the here. And final SOP, how to distribution this proof. Now you use the proof, the shift from week 1 to week 2, week 1 outreach. I can help you with pain. Mind if I shared a video? But week 2, I just did this for who. Here's what happened and proof link Is it relevant? And then embedding your Loom video GIF at your email like this. And then change your outreach message like this. I help blah blah blah. And then change I just built this solution for who and outcome in time frame. And continue daily outreach with proof ongoing. So tracking method is the same every single day. Attempts, wrist, email link and channel, and status. Follow up, reply, booked, closed, closed the one, closed, lost. So let me bring this all together. You are stuck at 0 clients because you have 0 testimonials. Everyone says you need social proof to sell, but you can't get social proof without clients. That's the proof paradox. And here's what you learned today. 3 problems keeping you stuck. The first, the proof paradox. A wrong proof strategy. Permission asking text. By end of week 2, 1 proof Loom, 2 to 5 minutes, and outreach updated to proof first, and tracking shows proof impact on reply rate. When someone asks why you send 1 link and stop talking. So here's what you can do right now. If you close this video and do nothing changes. That's not pressures, that's math. I put together the 7-day market signal starter kit, hypothesis lock GPT, and 70 execution tracker, and decision day scoreboard. Everything I just showed you for week 1. Stop learning AI, start executing. I will show you in the next video where I show you how to close calls without sounding desperate. Thank you for watching. See ya.